Let's be real for a second. Is your annual security training actually keeping up with how fast AI threats are changing? Probably not. Today, we're going to break down a really cool dynamic framework that helps your team's security knowledge evolve just as quickly as the risks do. Okay, before we dive in, just a quick heads up. What we're talking about today comes from part 16 of a much larger 20-part report by the folks at Virtualization Options LLC. So we're really just scratching the surface. If you want to talk about a full training transformation for your organization, we definitely recommend you contact them directly. And of course, since this is just a high-level overview, it isn't warranted. So let's talk about the big problem we're all facing. That yearly check-the-box security training. Well, it's just no match for the kind of AI-driven attacks that are popping up literally every day. The threats are dynamic, right? So your defense has to be dynamic too. The real question is, how on earth do you build a training system that can actually keep up? Here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the overall blueprint. It's a modular design. Then we'll dig into the three key building blocks: a master threat notebook, then some role-specific notebooks, and finally, a policy and standards notebook. And then we'll see how it all comes together for the big payoff: true, just-in-time learning. You know, the solution here is really a complete shift in mindset. We're moving away from a static, one-and-done course. Instead, this report proposes a living, breathing training ecosystem. Think of it as a knowledge base that's constantly being updated, and it's all powered by Google's Notebook LM platform. So the heart of this framework, which was developed with Virtualization Options LLC, is its ability to absorb new information and generate custom content super fast, basically on the fly. Let's take a look at how it's actually put together. The whole thing really stands on these three pillars. We're going to create three interconnected notebooks. First up, a master notebook that pulls in all the external threat intel. Second, tailored notebooks designed for specific job roles. And third, a central notebook for all of your own internal policies. This three-part structure is what gives the whole system its power. All right, let's start with what I like to call the central nervous system of this whole operation, the master threat notebook. Everything flows from here. Its job is simple but absolutely critical. It needs to be your single source of truth for every threat that's happening outside your company. It's constantly pulling in and making sense of real-time data from sources you trust, so your training is never, ever out of date. And look at the quality of these sources. We're not talking about just scraping news headlines here. The system is designed to pull from really high-value feeds, like CISA alerts, updates from the MIT ATT-ACK framework, reports from major security vendors, and AI safety research. This creates an incredibly rich and reliable picture of the threat landscape. Okay, on to our second building block. So we have this amazing real-time feed of global threat intelligence. But how do you make that useful to, say, someone in HR or an executive? Well, that's the next piece of this puzzle. And that's exactly where the role-specific notebooks come into play. Each one is totally customized for a different audience. It filters the relevant information from the master notebook and then combines it with sources specific to that job function. So your engineers and your finance team aren't getting the same generic and frankly irrelevant warnings. I mean, the big takeaway here is so important. One-size-fits-all security training is officially dead. A software developer faces completely different AI risks than a marketing manager does. This system calibrates the training directly to the reality of what each person actually does every day. And that brings us to the final structural piece. So we've covered external threats, and we've got role-specific context. Now we just need to ground everything in your own organization's rules of the road. The policy and standards notebook really acts as the anchor for the entire system. This is where you put all your internal documents, your official security policies, your lists of approved or banned AI tools, and any specific regulatory stuff you have to follow. This makes sure that every piece of training is not just relevant, but also 100% compliant with your own rules. Okay, so we've built the three core notebooks: our master threat intel, the role-specific contexts, and our internal policy guide. Now for the really fun part, the payoff. How does this all actually come together to deliver training at the exact right moment? Believe it or not, the engine that drives this whole thing is a surprisingly simple but incredibly powerful tagging methodology. Every single piece of content, every alert, every policy document gets tagged. And these tags are broken down into 4 really smart categories. First, role relevance. Pretty simple. Who needs to see this? Second, threat type. What kind of attack are we talking about? Third, urgency level. How critical is this information right now? And finally, knowledge prerequisite. What do they need to already know to understand this? This metadata is the secret sauce that makes the whole system so precise. And this is the ultimate goal, the whole point of the system. Imagine a brand new phishing technique pops up that specifically targets finance departments. The system instantly tags the threat alert for finance, phishing, and high urgency. And just like that, only the finance team gets a notification with exactly what they need to know. That is surfacing the right content to the right employee at the right moment. So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. This framework isn't just about making training better. It's about building genuine organizational resilience. If you shift from a static annual checklist to a living, responsive knowledge system, just how much faster could your organization react when the next major AI threat inevitably arrives?